I won't deny it, I'm a straight rider. You don't wanna fuck with me. Got the police busting at me, but they can't do nothing to me.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Really don't want to mind like the police busting get down for this, but they can't constantly G and I'm screaming money over bitch desire. I'm just stroking my rider.